Welcome back. We're a few minutes away from the opening bell on Wall Street. But first, let's dive into some earnings reports. And guys, it's very tough for me not to talk about the Serena Williams potentially retiring thing, but we'll save that for the end of the show. Let's start with Take-Two. Not a good quarter from them. Warning on the conference call last night about a slowdown in mobile spending due to the broader pullback in consumer spending. I really like this Jefferies note on their quarter, saying this quarter will require patience. The analyst said, quote, "We received several incoming investor calls, emails, frustrated with the lack of disclosure from Take-Two." And I echo their sentiment there. That conference call was very light on details on the Zynga integration, the extent of the slowdown in mobile spending. I think investors wanted a lot more. They deserve a lot more. They just didn't get it.
Yeah, Strauss-Zelnick saying on the call, I think we're seeing now the decline in consumer spending and the increase in inflation going to have an impact on the industry. They saw it in the report today or yesterday at least, and particularly here, it's not just the consumer spending that they're going to see it impact their business on. It's also on the advertising revenue side too, because even if you think about those free-to-play games that they've integrated into this larger business, it still does rely on some of the advertising revenue that would be driven. But what are advertisers doing right now, marketers doing right now, and companies with those spending still looking to get marketing budgets trimmed at this point? And so that's going to directly impact where they actually put some of those marketing dollars to work as well. And this could be another unfortunate headwind that Take-Two has to weather.
Yeah, I mean, it's notable here that the company's forecast for the full year earnings are well below what analysts are anticipating, but revenue is well above what analysts are anticipating. So obviously it's a bottom line problem here.
Yeah, the positive thing I'll say is Strauss can still, I guess, claim the title for being the fittest CEO in America. I mean, this guy's chiseled. Yeah, I mean, you guys see pictures of his abs online. I mean, hat tip to him. He's no spring chicken.
I'm not going to touch that one, but I am going to tell you, you mentioned that Jefferies note and the analyst commentary.
Follow that one, Julie.
I'm not. That one. I'm not even going to try.
Chipotle order.
The
That's
analyst commentary I saw was almost uniformly positive on the long-term story for Take-Two. So it's interesting here that there is that disconnect.
I think he's called Chief Ab Officer, Julie. Chief Ab Officer.